What's up, everybody? It is taking us a long time to learn how to do this well, and so we're going to make it super simple for you. You're going to see what I'm sharing here momentarily. Fantastic. I think I've figured out how Zoom works because it's been 8 months of using it. I still struggle sometimes, but here we go. Super simple to go to your favorite breakout session. Just go to the top left of the screen here. Click right there. You'll see a listing of all the breakout sessions come up. Search for the breakout session that you want to attend. Click right there. I chose Eva Santiago's self-care because, quite frankly, I think we need a little bit of self-care in our lives these days. And that's it. Don't worry about coming into the main space. Actually, I'm not going to enable my camera or mic either. That's not for me to do. So now we're here. Don't worry about coming into the main space because we'll take care of that for you.